channel, Sugar Bites Beauty. My name is Myra. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and we're going to be doing our Macy's Beauty Box versus our Allure Beauty Box. I'm really glad that I actually got the Allure Beauty Box pretty early this month. I did not show last month's because I didn't get it till like almost the last day of the month. So I figured everybody had already seen it, so there was no point. But I did post a picture over on my Instagram. It should be already there. If not, it will be going up. But let's go ahead and get started. So the Allure Beauty Box, they did change the way that they package everything. So this time it comes in a box, and all our items come in a little bag. Before they used to come in the little red boxes. I like the little red boxes because I would use them for storage. I don't mind the bags, but I don't know. They're not my favorite. They're okay. It does come with a little magazine, and I like to keep these so that I know, in the future, I can take back a look back and look at the products that we received, what I liked and what I didn't. And this time they have a $25 gift card or gift, and it says to use code Allure25 at checkout at Georgiana, and it's like little jewelry. And then here's our little bag. This month it is black. Last month it was red, and it just snaps into place. So let's see what we got. Okay, so we got Mamonde. This is the Flower Lab Essence Mask in Rose. So that's what that looks like. I love sheet masks. I have a huge collection of them, just in case you guys didn't know. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what my collection looks like. But I do love them. Definitely will get used. Next thing in here is from Model Co. It's a metallic eyeshadow trio. And let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this is what this looks like. The colors are really, really pretty. Let's see. So it's like a burgundy, a brown, and like a peachy gold. Really cute. I actually will probably be passing that on. I do have 2 little boxes going. As soon as they get filled, we're going to be doing a little giveaway. I have so much eyeshadow, you guys. Let me tell you. Okay, so this is also from Mamonde. I think that's the way you pronounce it. I may be doing it wrong. This is the Petal Spa Oil to Foam. So it's a little baby. And let me just take out the other stuff that's in here. We have the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. This is a full-size item. And we have received the red mascara before. I think it was in Boxycharm. And I also think I got it in Ipsy. I'm not a fan of that mascara. It really does nothing for me personally. So this one says it's volume and length. So I'm definitely going to be giving this one a try and see how I like this. And that alone, I think it retails for like $25, or our box is more than paid for. This is from the Brow Gal, and it's in Tinted Brow Gel in Brown Hair 02. So this is also a full-size item. We got a really pretty brush. This is from Triad Eye. That's what it says. Oh, it's from Moda. Okay. Let me open this up. And I love to get brushes. I have let you guys know before how much I enjoy getting them brushes, because I'm really bad at washing them. So then I get new ones and I don't have to. So this is what it looks like. That's there. It's like it's pointer at the top. It's slanted. There we go. Okay. But it's really pretty. I like that. And then the last thing in here, it's from Laritzi Cosmetics. It's a lip pencil in the shade Bear. That's what that looks like. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this is what it looks like, and that's the tip of the color. And it is an actual pencil that we sharpen, and it's a really pretty nude shade. Okay, let's do a little swatch. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It is really pretty. We'll definitely be giving that a shot. Okay, so that's everything for the Allure Beauty Box. Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month. You do get your first box for $10 when you sign up. And they ship pretty late in the month, but they're definitely worth it. They are one of my favorite boxes. So let's take a look and see what came in our Macy's Beauty Box. So this month's bag is super cute, okay? This is from Macy's. It's a little lip that is so cute. It's pink in the back, and then in the front you got red and pink. And it's got a little zipper, and all our goodies come wrapped in this pink tissue paper. And it also does come with a little brochure telling you what's in the bag. And they always send a $5 coupon. Sometimes they'll do 10. So that's not bad. I did use last month's because last month's was the $10, so I actually used it up. So let's see. Okay, so this one has a mini beauty blender. This is the cutest little thing. I think it's so cute. So that's super cute. And it has the Origins Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with rose clay. It's a little baby sample, but it is super packed, so that's pretty cool. It comes with a little baby of the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder, which I actually have a couple sample sizes, and I have a full size of this, so this one will probably be going into one of our little giveaways. I love that powder, okay? It's a wonderful setting powder. It does great for your under eyes. I use it all over my face. It makes everything just stay in place and look flawless. So somebody will be getting that to try that out. So Macy's does include little perfume samples. And this month I got the YSL Black Opium. Again, I have the full size of this, and I love this perfume. It smells wonderful. It smells like coffee and cocoa. It smells great. We got a full size of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipsticks in American Doll, which is this one. It is a beautiful, beautiful red. So I think those are usually like what, $18, $20, and our box is $15. So they did pretty good this month. We have the Clinique High Impact Mascara. Again, another little baby. And the last thing in here, I'm going to throw that to the side. Okay, we got the Breast Petals Disposable One-Time Use. So this is totally weird, or, you know, not definitely makeup related. But Macy's has sent us even undergarments before, so I'm not surprised. So that's pretty cool. So overall, what did you guys think? Are you guys subscribed to these? Macy's, again, is also $15 a month, and they ship super fast, okay? Like, you will get your box the first week of the month. I usually get it by the 3rd day, because they actually ship it the end of the previous month so that I can get it the first couple days. But I always wait because I have to wait for the Allure Beauty Box. But we may change that up because I don't think I'm going to want to wait anymore. So we'll see. But both boxes were actually really, really good this month. If I had to pick one, I don't think I could, because they both have things that I like that I'm going to use, and some that I won't. So they both did excellent. So you guys let me know which one you guys think actually was better, or do you guys agree they were both pretty good? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, or if you just haven't hit the little subscribe button, please make sure that you do. I'm so excited to be at 480. I want to make it to 500. I'm thinking 1,000 this year, but we'll see. I get excited every time I see somebody new pop up on there. So hit the little subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.